Hi, I'm Barry, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn this into this for Make Your Own Mr. Cuphead tutorial. Just make sure your cup's empty before you start. Hi, so this is what you're going to need for this. You're going to need some card, you're going to need some scissors, a pencil, some colouring pens or colouring pencils, and obviously a cup. Also, if you happen to have one of the lid things for it with this wee sippy hole, even better, but don't worry if you don't, it's just an additional thing. Okay, so to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to draw out some of our features for our Mr. Cuphead. Now obviously we're going to need some eyes, noses, mouths, ears and hands. And depending if you have this little part, maybe some hair and some hats. So I'm going to start sketching some of those out and we'll take it from there. Now what is important to remember is, don't make the features too big for your cup. You want to make sure they fit on there. So maybe think of each one as about a third of the size of your cup. And depending on the size of your cup, will depend on how big you make your features. Okay, now that I've sketched them out, I'm going to give them some outlines and colour them in. And there we are. Okay, now we're almost going to cut them out, but a very important thing to do is, see, before you cut them out, you're going to make sure that each one has a sort of little tab at the top of it, roughly about the width of your pencil, and maybe about a centimetre. This is really important. But if you forget to or don't have the space, don't worry, because we can fix that. I'll come back to that in a moment. And for the ears, you want them to come out for the sides. Always just join them up and do a little thing like that, if that helps. And now, we need to cut these out. Remember to cut your tab. And there we are, all cut out. Now, as I says before, if you make a mistake and accidentally trip off the tab, oh no, easy to fix. Just get a spare bit of cardboard, drop out another little tab, and use a little bit of glue or a little bit of tape if you get it hanging about, and just stick it on the back. So now that we've got all our eyes, ears, noses and mouths, it's time to get the cup sorted. So what you want to do is take your pencil and very carefully we're going to put some holes in it. What you might want to do is make sure, see how there's a seam in the cup? You might want to make sure that's at the back because it's a bit harder to push through. So for the eyes, we're going to want a hole quite high up. So push it through, making sure your fingers are well out the way. Bump. For the nose, one in the middle, same again, make sure your fingers are out the way, bump, and for your mouth, one down near the bottom, I would say about there, boom, and we're going to put one on each side for the ears. There we are, 1, 2, 3. And now we can start putting our face tabs in. What's the near up? There we are. So, and there you have it, your basic Mr. Cuphead. Now, as I was saying before, if you happen to have one of these tops, you can put that on to give you another slot for hats or hair. Also, if you want, you can put additional holes in the side so you can put in hands. Now, remember, best part about it is, all these bits can go on the inside, but also, it doesn't need to just be a Mr. Cuphead, it can be a Ms. Cuphead, or a Cuphead robot, a Cuphead monster, a Cuphead animal, or you could even make it look like someone you know. I think you could do with a bit more grey. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out the rest of the videos and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, bye!